Hi everyone, The Simple Dad here. In this video, I'll show you how to rename your project on the Edits Instagram app. So if you've recently been using the Edits Instagram app to edit your videos, then let me show you how you can edit those projects. So before you begin, you want to first go to your app store. You want to go to search for Edits and make sure that's been updated to the latest version. Once updated, go ahead and open the app. Now in the app, go to your project section where you'll see all your projects which you've been working on. So if you want to edit the name of the project on your Edits app, go ahead and tap on any other videos. So for example, this one here. So the name is Dog Reels. So I want to go ahead and change this to something else. So go ahead and tap on the Dog Reels at the top left. Now here you can go ahead and tap the X and go ahead and give it a new name. Then tap on Done. And now if you press the X, you'll see a new name appear under the project. Now you can do this to existing projects and you can do that to new projects. So for example, if I created a new project here, I can go ahead and tap on the new project name at the top left, and then I can go ahead and give it a new name. Once I press X, that new project will be created with that new name. So there you go guys, that is how to rename your project on the Edits Instagram app. If you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any other social media apps, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel to become a part of the Simple Dad community. Hit the like button if you find this video useful.